Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunity for freshers from various companies like CultFit, Razorpay and IndiaMART. So without wasting your time, let's move to the hirings. First we have from CultFit. CultFit is hiring for front-end engineer. Location will Bangalore. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. CultFit front-end engineer power the entire app and website experience. Another key responsibility, the team is responsible for delivering an exceptional product experience to users. Additionally, front-end engineers are involved highly in feature development, performance improvement and experimentation. Let's talk about the requirement for this role. You have good knowledge of React.js, AngularJS and many more. Similarly, knowledge of Node.js and programming patterns. Additionally, experience in progressive web apps and responsive designs. This is for freshers, no prior experience required. So what are you waiting for? Just go and apply if you are interested for this role or your skill set are fulfilling these requirements. Next we have from IndiaMART. IndiaMART is hiring for associate engineer. Let's talk about the roles and responsibility of the candidate. You are building highly optimized application for performance and stability. Another key responsibility is participating in all phases of SDLC including planning, designing, development and many more. Additionally, you have to collaborate with cross-functional team in different stages of the projects, also with stakeholders and business owners. And you have to develop and maintain comprehensive documentation. Additionally, you have to participate in code review and many more. You can read this all. Roles and responsibility. Here is about the career growth and learning opportunity in the IndiaMART. You can read this all. Let's talk about the required qualification for this role. You have scored above than 90% in 10th and 12th grade and scored above 60% in BE BTech. Location will Noida 135. Here is hiring process. First you have to qualify technical test. If you qualify the test, then you are welcome to technical interview and then last HR screening. So here is about the role. You can read this. And required education BE BTech in IT and computer science. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Razorpay. Razorpay is hiring for software development engineer. Location will Bangalore. Here is about the role. You can read this. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate. You have to involve and drive product and design discussions and you have to scale payment infrastructure. Similarly, shape REST APIs. Additionally, you have to contribute to open source and many more. You can read this all. Roles and responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. Let's talk about the required qualification for this role. 1+ year of experience in technology. If you have some internship certificates, then you are welcome to apply for this role. And good experience in programming language like PHP, Python and many more. Good understanding of end user requirement and good knowledge of REST APIs. And good to have some side projects on GitHub and contribute to some open source project and many more. You can read this all. So if you are interested for this role, you get the link in the description box. Just go and apply. So bye bye, best of luck for your assessment round. Catch you later.